Airguns have evolved into precision-engineered powerhouses, and in Best Airguns of 2026 Power, Accuracy and Performance Tested, we showcase the very best leading the charge this year. From high-velocity performance to razor-sharp accuracy, these airguns demonstrate how far modern design and innovation have advanced. Built for consistency, control, and serious shooting capability, each model featured represents the top tier of 2026 performance standards. Gamo HPA Mi Jungle. The Gamo HPA Mi Jungle represents a new generation of tactical air rifles built for shooters who want a balance of power, precision, and modern styling. This break barrel platform delivers up to 24 joules of energy, making it suitable for target shooting and small game applications. At its core is the advanced IGT gas piston system, which replaces the traditional spring mechanism with a pneumatic cylinder to reduce vibration, improve consistency, and provide a smoother cocking cycle. With velocities reaching up to 386 meters per second in .177 caliber and 268 meters per second in .22, it offers impressive performance for its category. The Whisper Maxim barrel helps minimize noise, while the CAT 2-stage trigger enhances control and shot predictability. An SWA recoil pad improves comfort during extended sessions, and the included 3 to 9x40 scope with folding bipod completes a tactical setup designed for stability, accuracy, and confident field performance. FX Leopard. The FX Leopard PCP bullpup air rifle from FX Airguns stands out in 2026 as one of the most advanced pre-charged pneumatic platforms built for hunters, long-range shooters, and competitive marksmen. Designed in a compact bullpup configuration, it combines maneuverability with serious power and precision engineering. At its core is a 54cc power plenum integrated into the buttstock, delivering consistent shot performance across different pellet and slug types. The quick tune system allows fast power adjustments, while the externally adjustable AMP MKU regulator ensures stable and repeatable velocities. The rifle is offered in both tube and bottle versions, with the bottle configuration providing up to 890cc of onboard air for extended shooting sessions. Available in .177, .22, .25, and .30 calibers. It also features an adjustable 2-stage trigger, high-capacity magazine, and a 20 MOA Picatinny rail for precision optics. Daystate Blackwolf. The Daystate Blackwolf represents one of the most advanced and versatile pre-charged pneumatic air rifle platforms available today, redefining what a premium PCP system can offer. Designed around a modular concept, it allows shooters to configure the rifle for hunting, target shooting, field target, or long-range precision applications with impressive flexibility. At its core is the largest regulator chamber ever fitted to one of the brand's rifles, paired with a 20-stage power adjuster that enables fine-tuning of output on demand. A rapid barrel and caliber swap system supports .177, .22, .25, and .30 options, while the tensioned art barrel system enhances stability and accuracy. The platform also features a fully adjustable match-grade trigger and an angled Picatinny rail ready for modern optics. With options for alloy cylinders or high-capacity carbon fiber bottles and multiple stock configurations, it delivers adaptability, balance, and precision in one forward-thinking airgun design. FX Impact M4. The FX Airguns Impact M4 stands as one of the most advanced precision PCP platforms available, combining customizable power, refined ergonomics, and cutting-edge airgun technology in a highly modular design. Built on the well-known Impact chassis from FX Airguns, this platform introduces the quick-set trigger system, allowing shooters to shift from a lighter hunting pull to a crisp match-style break with simple adjustment. A reinforced top plate and improved ergonomic grip enhance rigidity and handling, contributing to better consistency shot after shot. At its core, the AMP MK2 brass piston regulator manages higher bottle pressures while maintaining stable airflow for improved accuracy. High-capacity magazines cycle smoothly with both pellets and heavy slugs, and the extended Picatinny rail supports advanced optics setups. Available in multiple barrel lengths and calibers from .177 to .35, it delivers adaptability, strong shot counts, and precision-focused performance. BRK Ghost Zero. The BRK Ghost Zero is a streamlined and performance-focused PCP air rifle platform built for shooters who want a solid foundation they can customize for their preferred discipline. Developed under the BRK name, formerly known as Brocock, this model shares the same rigid monocoque chassis and match-grade Lothar-Walther barrel found across the Ghost lineup, delivering impressive stability and mechanical consistency. Instead of a larger carbon bottle, It uses a 300cc removable air cylinder designed for easy handling and practical balance while maintaining strong performance. The platform supports multiple calibers including .177, .22, .25, and .30, making it adaptable for bench rest, field target, pest control, or precision shooting. An adjustable rear power wheel allows quick tuning, while the fast change barrel system and sliding Picatinny rail enhance flexibility. Ambidextrous controls and upgrade compatibility make it a versatile, precision-ready airgun platform. Umarex Komplete NCR. The Umarex Komplete NCR introduces an innovative approach to PCP-style shooting by eliminating the need for compressors, scuba tanks, or manual pumps. Powered by Nitro Air nitrogen cartridges rated at 3,600 psi, the system feeds an internal regulator set at 1,800 psi to deliver smooth and consistent performance with every shot. This setup allows shooters to simply install a Nitro Air cartridge, load the magazine, and begin shooting within seconds, making it highly accessible for both new and experienced users. Available in .177 and .22 calibers, it produces velocities around 1,025 feet per second in .177 and 975 feet per second in .22, offering solid capability for target practice and small game applications. The package includes 2 rotary magazines, a 4x32 scope with rings, a smooth side lever action, and a Picatinny rail with M-lock slots for accessories. Integrated silencer technology helps reduce report for more comfortable backyard and field shooting. Air Venturi Ascent. The Air Venturi Ascent stands out as a unique hybrid PCP air rifle that blends traditional pre-charged pneumatic performance with a built-in air solution for extended shooting freedom. Unlike standard PCP platforms that rely entirely on external tanks or compressors, this design features an integrated underlever pump that allows shooters to top off pressure after the initial fill. With just a few pumps between shots, users can maintain consistent performance without carrying additional air gear. The rifle is available in .177, .22, and .25 calibers, and is capable of delivering strong velocities and energy suitable for plinking, pest control, and small game use. A 170cc air cylinder fills to 250 bars and provides approximately 20 to 24 shots per fill before requiring additional pumping. It also includes a smooth side lever cocking action, an adjustable 2-stage trigger, and a versatile optics rail for flexible setup options. BRK Ranger XR2 Lite. The BRK Ranger XR2 Lite is a compact and lightweight PCP air rifle built for shooters who value portability, efficiency, and precision in a streamlined platform. As part of the XR2 series from BRK, this model focuses on core performance features without unnecessary extras. It retains a match-grade barrel, a Huma Air precision regulator for consistent output, a smooth side lever cocking system, and a clean 2-stage adjustable trigger that supports accurate shot control. Designed with ambidextrous handling and a folding stock, it offers excellent maneuverability for field use, pest control, and small game hunting. Multiple accessory rails allow easy customization, while the removable self-indexing magazine and included single-shot tray provide flexibility for different shooting styles. Despite its compact form, it maintains strong air efficiency and reliable regulated performance, making it a practical and adaptable choice for shooters who want precision in a lightweight package. Umarex Primal 20. The Umarex Primal 20 is a big-bore PCP airgun built for shooters who want true slug-level energy in a compressed air platform. Chambered in 20 gauge, it fires heavy 395-grain slugs with significant force, making it suitable for serious hunting applications rather than casual shooting. A 24 cubic inch onboard high-pressure air tank fills to 4,000 psi, providing enough shots to deliver 2 powerful slugs before needing a refill. The rifled barrel and invector choke design work together to enhance accuracy, while the bolt action mechanism with a 2-shot laterally sliding magazine ensures smooth operation. Fully ambidextrous controls and ergonomic handling make it comfortable for both left and right-handed shooters. Safety is prioritized with a true drop safety and a push-button manual safety. Integrated Picatinny rails allow quick mounting of optics, making the Primal 20 ready for scoped long-range slug shooting, combining raw power, precision, and user-focused design in one formidable airgun. Norica PCP NTX-35 Comando. The Norica PCP NTX-35 Comando is a tactical evolution of the NTX-35 regulated platform, built for shooters who want reliable PCP performance combined with modern styling and practical field-ready features. This rifle is offered in .177, .22, and .25 calibers, giving flexibility for target practice, blinking, and pest control applications. It operates with an EVO pressure regulator designed to maintain consistent airflow, helping improve shot-to-shot stability and overall accuracy. The Norica True Choke barrel features stabilized rifling and includes a 1/2 UNF threaded tip for moderator compatibility, allowing quieter shooting without sacrificing precision. An ambidextrous anti-shock thumbhole stock with an adjustable cheek piece enhances comfort and control, while the EVO adjustable 2-stage trigger can be tuned between 200 and 400 grams for a refined feel. Powered by a 380cc air tube filled to 250 bars, it delivers efficient performance and extended shooting capability in a durable, precision-focused package. Umarex Synergis Elite. The Umarex Synergis Elite is a distinctive underlever pellet rifle that combines traditional spring-powered shooting with modern multi-shot capability in one practical platform. Instead of relying on CO2 or PCP systems, it uses a TNT gas piston to deliver consistent power with smoother cocking and reduced vibration compared to many conventional break barrel designs. One of its standout features is the 10-shot auto-indexing rotary magazine, with 2 magazines included, allowing rapid follow-up shots without manually loading a pellet each time. The fixed barrel design enhances accuracy by keeping the barrel stationary during cocking, helping maintain zero and improve consistency. It comes equipped with a 3-9x40 airgun scope mounted on a Picatinny rail, making it ready for target practice or small game use right out of the box. An all-weather polymer stock adds durability, while integrated Silencer sound management helps keep shooting sessions quieter and more comfortable in backyard environments. Benjamin Bulldog M257. The Benjamin Bulldog M257 is a powerful big-bore PCP air rifle built for shooters who want serious hunting performance in a compact platform. Designed in a bullpup configuration with a durable synthetic stock, it offers maneuverability without sacrificing energy or accuracy. Operating from a 3000 psi pre-charged pneumatic reservoir, it is capable of launching 27.9 grain pellets at velocities up to approximately 1,160 feet per second, generating around 140 foot-pounds of muzzle energy for effective medium-range performance. The repeater system uses a 5-shot auto-indexing rotary magazine paired with a reversible side lever, making it suitable for both right and left-handed shooters. A baffleless sound trap shroud helps reduce report while maintaining power, and a full-length Picatinny rail provides ample space for mounting optics. With compact handling, strong output, and practical field features, the Bulldog M257 delivers a balanced combination of power, control, and versatility in a modern airgun design. Umarex Air Javelin Pro. The Umarex Air Javelin Pro is a PCP-powered air archery rifle that brings a different dimension to modern shooting by launching arrows instead of pellets. Built around a 7.4 cubic inch onboard air tank that fills to 4,500 psi and regulates down to 1,500 psi, it delivers smooth and repeatable performance with each shot. Using a 170 grain straight flight arrow, it can reach speeds of approximately 370 feet per second, generating around 52 foot-pounds of muzzle energy for practical field applications. The regulated system provides roughly 25 effective shots per fill, with a strong portion delivered at full power before pressure drops below optimal levels. A bolt-action single-shot setup keeps operation simple and controlled, while an ambidextrous charging handle enhances usability. With a full-length Picatinny rail, M-lock slots, and a lightweight adjustable stock, it combines airgun engineering with arrow launching capability in one versatile platform. HATSAN Jet 1. The HATSAN Jet 1 is a compact and versatile PCP-powered air pistol and carbine platform designed for shooters who want flexibility in a lightweight package. Built around a 40cc compressed air cylinder filled to 250 bars, it delivers consistent pre-charge performance without requiring a large external air system. One of its most distinctive features is its convertible configuration, allowing it to function as a standalone air pistol or quickly transform into a mini carbine with the included synthetic stock. Available in .177, .22, and .25 calibers, it supports a wide range of shooting activities from casual plinking to light pest control. It operates using a multi-shot rotary magazine and includes a built-in pressure gauge for easy air monitoring, adjustable ergonomics, flip-up fiber optic sights, an 11mm dovetail rail for optics, and additional accessory rails enhance its adaptability, making it a practical and fun PCP option for range and field use. GRIMBURG TYR Pro. The GRIMBURG TYR Pro is not a traditional pellet air rifle, but a pneumatic, less lethal launcher designed for high-energy air-powered deployment rather than sport shooting. Unlike conventional PCP platforms used for target practice or hunting, the TYR series operates as a pressurized launcher system built to fire specialized non-lethal projectiles. Most available information surrounding the platform presents it as a compact, tactical-style device powered by onboard compressed air, or CO2, delivering substantial joule output per shot. Demonstrations and field tests commonly reference energy levels exceeding 50 joules, positioning it closer to defensive or tactical applications than recreational airgunning. Its construction, function, and purpose differ significantly from mainstream regulated pellet rifles, and it is marketed outside the traditional sporting airgun segment. As a result, it stands apart as an air-powered launcher platform focused on controlled, high-impact projectile deployment rather than precision pellet accuracy or competitive shooting performance.